Alright, y'all know I love my cooking videos, so we're gonna get right to it. Starting with some olive oil in the pan. I'm gonna use that as my oil, crack my egg in. Got a little shell in there, but it's okay. Then I'm gonna season it up with some Italian seasoning. And I think I was gonna get black pepper, but I couldn't find it. Then you're just gonna let that cook on low heat so it cooks evenly, and then you're gonna flip that bad boy. Okay. Then I like to take off the corners of my cheese so that when I try to melt it, it's nice and perfect. Then moving on to the next component of my sandwich, I'm going to wilt down some spinach. I use no oil in this pan because there's really no need, just extra calories that you don't need. Then I'm going to toast my bread up, pop pop, looking good. Now it's time for assembly. So you're going to use whatever sauce of choice. You like mustard, ketchup, mayo, guacamole, literally salsa. Anything you want will be fine. I like mustard, it's literally my favorite. Then taking whatever meat of choice. Right here I just have some deli meat, but you could use sausage, bacon, turkey bacon, chicken sausage. Then assembling my greens. Here you can add some avocado, but I just had some spinach, so I'm going to use that. Then for the best part of the sandwich, you're going to add on your egg. That's nice and cheesy. And then you're going to put the other piece of bread on, cut it up, and you got a really good breakfast sandwich that's very easy to make and very tasty and very aesthetically pleasing. This thing looks really good. Ooh. Next, it's time for some oatmeal. So I know people have very differing opinions on oatmeal, but personally I love it. So first you want to just start off with some dry oats, season it how you like. I use cinnamon, nutmeg. You can put in literally anything, ginger, whatever you want. Now I'm going to add some hot water and put on a bowl to kind of steam it, and then I walk away. Usually I'll go get dressed in something. Then I come back like 15-20 minutes later. All the water has absorbed. Now with your milk of choice, almond milk, soy milk, cow's milk, whatever, you're going to put that in, stir it around so it gets nice and creamy, like super good. Pop it in the microwave to get some heat. Then it's time for toppings. So today I'm doing banana and walnut. So like a classic banana walnut muffin, banana walnut pancake, we're going to have some banana walnut oatmeal. So putting in your toppings, then I'm going to add a little honey, sprinkle that on top, and then you are good to go. Easy breakfast, super tasty, nutritious. You have your healthy fats, your potassium, boom. Lastly, we are going to make something nice and decadent, some French toast, starting off by cracking one egg. So one egg works perfectly for around 2 French toasts, so you can multiply that as you wish for however many you're trying to make. Then with your milk of choice, I use this Chobani oat milk that's super creamy and it's perfect. Then I added my cinnamon, nutmeg, some vanilla extracts for flavor. You want to whisk that up until it's all nice and well incorporated. Then you have your nice whatever that you're going to soak this bread in. So for the bread, I'm using this Pepperidge Farm French toast bread. It's a thick slice and it has little pockets of French toasty goodness already embedded inside the loaf. And so then you're going to dip that into the mixture. Make sure it's well soaked through, and then you're going to add that to a pan that already has a little bit of butter on it. That's just getting nice and ready for that French toast. Then you're going to repeat the same process with your next piece of toast, making sure you flip that other one when it's nice and golden brown. Don't flip it before. You want to make sure it's all the way cooked. Flip it. Literally, it's so goldeny, so good. Then once you're done, you can add your toppings. I added some banana, a little powdered sugar, and some syrup. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Okay.